So what was your inspiration, or how did you come up with the idea for the Diva Lab?
Okay. Well, I remember when I started out, I was trying to find a place to work from, and I didn't have funds to start with. And I know that's the situation a lot of people are in when they leave beauty school or when they decide, hey, I want to start braiding. So I decided to make a place that would work with your pockets and help you invest in yourself instead of like taking from you. If you keep paying rent every week, yes, I can pay my rent and I can stay in the salon, but I can't invest in myself and I can't grow and I can't get beyond that. So I wanted to help people make their vision and their dream possible.
Okay, so how does it work? How does the program work?
So the way that the Boss Lab works, well, the Diva Boss Lab, the way that it works is you come in, whatever you need training on, be it business, growing your brand, customer service, or you just really want to transition into a salon space, it starts with a class, be it a business class, a training class, or actual skills like hands-on hair class. Those are the different levels. Intermediate would be where you already know what you're doing, but you just need help with the LLC, business plan, things like that to help you grow your brand. Beginner is you're starting from scratch. You need help. You might know a few things, but you really want to refine and hone in on your skills. So you'll start from the beginning, learning something, learning business, learning healthy hair care, getting certified with the Barbicide, all the things that you need to safely practice hair. Then you'll get to the point where you're intermediate and you'll start building your brand. And then from there, when you're ready to leave, you'll have a solid book of clients, but you'll also have retail. You'll have accessories, things that you sell outside of your braids to help bring in more money for you and just really help expand your brand. So yeah, it all starts with just coming in, but you just talk to me, we see where you are, and we tailor a package to you. So everyone's experience will be different because it's based on their level of experience and what they need.
Okay, so how do I get started, or how do I apply?
Okay. If you are interested in joining the Boss Lab and taking part in this opportunity, all you do is you go to DVABossLab.com, and there's a careers page in the drop down, and you would apply to DVA Boss Lab Braider. It's going to ask you some questions about your experience, what your goals are, what you want to learn, and you'll pick a date to actually talk to me. And from there, your readiness and ability to go ahead and jump on the opportunity will determine when you start. And from there, it's a 6 to 12 month process. It can be as quick as you make it, and it can be as long as you make it. But we will make sure that by the time you leave the Boss Lab, you have a solid client base, you have a solid brand, and when you're ready to transition into a studio suite, you'll be able to do that without worrying about how you're going to keep up with it. You'll definitely have what you need and more to be sustainable in the salon suite as a stylist.